Hello, welcome to Gyphio. This quick demo is going to show how easy it is to create an animated video with music using Gyphio. So let's click Create Your First Campaign inside the dashboard. This is where you can just enter the name of your campaign. I'm going to call it Galaxy and submit. This is where you can pick your animated background. So I'm going to use the search to find backgrounds I can use, and I'll search for Galaxy. So this brings up about 10 animations I can pick from. I can always load more, but I really like these first three. So I think I'm going to use this one, and then this one, and then this one. You can use up to 5. So we'll click Next, and this is where we can set the length of our video. I'm just going to do a 2-minute video, so that's 120 seconds, and you can pick from sizes. I'll do 1024 by 820. We're at the point where we pick music. You can select a category here, and you can preview the audio. Let's try this one. Okay, yeah, I like that. So we can click plus and use this audio. And then the video is rendering. It's as simple as that. So now we can go back to our dashboard and we see our campaign here that's rendering. It's going to take a few minutes, so I'll pause this video now and I'll come back when the video is complete. All right, we're back and the video is complete. You can preview your video here. There we are. That will have all of the audio and the animations that it will cycle through. You can download, and when you click the download button, you can download both the video and you can do data research. So let's put in Galaxy for our niche keyword. Now I know this is going to bring up some Samsung Galaxy videos, etc. But look at this second one, Celestial Relaxation. So this is a relaxation video with Galaxy footage and ambient music, and we have keywords here. So you can click the export button, which is just off the screen here to the right outside of my frame, and that will export this data into a CSV file and download your video for posting anywhere you want. It's as simple as that.
Okay, this is what you'll see after you purchase. You will get an email sent to you with a username and password. You're going to go to the website, which is hosted, and then you're going to log in. You click login, and you see some of our test campaigns here. This is your dashboard where you can create a campaign. Click create a campaign, then give it a campaign name. So let's say I want to do water balloons. Type in water balloons, click submit. Then it says enter your keyword to fetch the GIF or GIF, however you want to say it. So I'm going to type in water balloons. Click search, and then there's all the different GIFs. So you pick one GIF or a bunch of GIFs, and we can load more if we want. Pick the ones that you want, and they show up here. You click next, put in the duration of your video, save and next. Choose from some music. Let's do some chill music. So maybe I want this one. We're going to add that. Click the little plus sign there, save and next. And then it says your video is rendering. And then you click here to access your dashboard, and then there's the video processing right then. You'll notice that it has the name of the campaign, when it was created, the duration. Once it's done processing, you're going to see a download button. So you could download that to your computer, or you could upload it to Dropbox. And you can create 10 campaigns a month. And you certainly can click on the refresh button to see the status, how long it's taken to merge everything together. Once it's done, you'll see it in your dashboard where it is showing it as active. We could delete it if we wanted to, and then we can upload it to Dropbox or save it to our computer. Click the download button, scroll down to download video, and there's our video right there. And it's taking all of our different GIFs, putting them in a loop with our music. So again, this could be any niche. Again, I'm choosing water balloons. It could be any niche that you want. If we go through more, there's someone else getting hit with water balloons. Now, I'm not saying you need to choose water balloons, but it can be any niche that you want. Any GIFs that you want with the music. Once this is saved, just upload it to YouTube, and there you go. You have your very own niche-ready chill hop for you to get people to see the music and GIFs. You drive the traffic wherever you want it to go.